Fidgets that are not so good for school. Definitely a snapper. Listen at that. Who wants to hear that in the middle of class? Even though I love these push pops and they are one of my absolute favorite fidgets, these are not really recommended for school because if they fall, they're very loud. And of course, the pops are satisfying, but they may interrupt someone. So we have to leave those at home. Then, of course, the squish ball. This one is nice and small and very compact, can fit in your pocket or book bag. But if it pops, man, that would be a big mess. You may get in trouble. So it's best just to keep these little squish balls at home.
Look what I got. I got a fidget package from Fair and Mao. They just opened up their fidget shop and it is so cool. Plus, look at their adorable packaging. I love it. First, let's open up this bag. Oh my goodness. Look at all this stuff. We got a pop tube, a really nice pop-it bracelet. Oh my gosh, let's open up this DNA ball. Oh my goodness, it's so colorful. And I love the texture. Next, let's open this unicorn dimple. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. Oh my gosh, this looks like a puzzle pop-it. Let's open it. These have such a nice pop. And oh my gosh, they fit together. That's such a cool idea. Now we have a tangle. These colors kind of remind me of Starburst candy. Let's try it out. This is so cool. And I really like the colors. Next is the fidget spinner. This is so good. Open this in part 2.
Let's see if the net on this mesh ball works on other stress balls that I have. First, I'm going to cut the net off of the mesh ball. That was a lot messier than I thought, but this feels so much like a clear dough ball. First, I'm going to try the net on the splat ball, and I don't think this is going to work. Oh, it kind of works. This jelly ball feels really similar to the green ball that the net originally came with, so I feel like this will work. But let's try it. Oh wow, this works really well. I really like this. It's super easy to squish. Now I'm going to try it with a Neato, and I chose to do a mini Neato because I feel like it'll fit better with the net. Okay, I surprisingly really like this. Lastly, I'm going to try it with a mini Orbeez fruit. This is not as bad as I thought it was going to be. Bye!
It's a rare, exclusive, limited edition charm bracelet.
Huh?
Testing if my fidgets float or sink in the pool. First up is this infinity cube. It floats. Next up, a pop tube. Floats. Next up, a snapper. Oh my gosh, it's sinking. Oh my gosh, guys, it's sunk. I don't know how I'm gonna get that out. Next up is a rubber simple dimple. Oh my gosh, it's sunk. An Orbeez stress ball. It floats. Next up is this avocado dimple. Floats. Textured Orbeez stress ball. Floats. Jellyfish or octopus dimple. It floats. Oh my gosh, I can't get it. This is a floating pile. Spinning dimple digits. Floats. Oh my gosh. Mini simple dimple. It literally floats. Controller simple dimple. Floats. Dimple digits. Floats. Oh my gosh, guys, I can't reach it. Donut poppet. Floats. Flippy octopus. Floats. And this animal dimple. It floats. Let's try this marble and mesh. Oh my gosh, it's sunk.
Terceira e última parte desse vídeo. A gente descobriu que tem que umedecer isso aqui. Show! Agora aparentemente isso vai aqui dentro. Beleza, acho que eu consegui. Aparentemente agora a gente sopra. Tá dando certo! Gente, ela fica muito grande, eu não achei que ficasse desse tamanho. Aqui tem umas imagens dela bem grande, mas eu não achei que ela ficasse assim. Bom, eu não vou encher ela muito, porque a nossa intenção é que ela seja uma stress ball e não uma bola. Esse foi o tanto que eu enchi. Só enchi um pouco mais do que o que ela vem no pacote. E só assim ela já ficou muito, muito boa. E ela é bem grudentinha até, ó. Será que gruda na parede? Gruda! Tá super aprovada. Se vocês quiserem, eu faço um vídeo enchendo até o máximo.
Se você tem Fidget Toys, use esse áudio e me mostre o seu primeiro Fidget Toys, o seu Fidget favorito, um que você não gosta tanto, o seu Fidget mais fofinho, um Fidget que você ama, o seu Fidget mais colorido, um dos mais satisfatórios, um Fidget caseiro e um Fidget que você quer muito comprar.